Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Series questions love this trick. Check the term test first, and you can eliminate choices fast without doing anything fancy. This takes seconds. Start with the nth term test. If a series converges, its terms must go to 0. So if the limit of a sub n is 1/2, convergence is impossible right away. That immediately makes statement D true, because terms approaching 1/2 never shrink to 0, so the positive series cannot converge. It must diverge. Nice. That is the key idea. Now check A and B. AN going to 0 alone proves neither convergence nor divergence, so neither statement must be true. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust given facts and check the term test before claiming a series converges.